Hello everyone! I completed my 30-day challenge of doing 100 push-ups, 100 sit-ups, 100 curls every day, and I'm going to share with you my results, the 3 things I learned, and why you should do it too. Hello everyone! My name is Keve and I help people get 1% better every single day. And a great way of doing that is trying a 30-day challenge. So I was inspired to do the 30-day challenge because it looked really fun. I knew exactly what workout I would be doing every single day. And in the past, when I wouldn't be using an app and kind of working on, different parts of my body, I didn't know if I should be doing kind of biceps, triceps, legs, chest, when to do that. But with the 30-day challenge, every day you know what your workout is, so you can just kind of hit it hard. The third reason is I love being able to see progress in a fairly short period of time. And 30 days is really not that long, but from day 1 to day 30, you can really see the difference. And the final reason is doing a 30-day challenge helps you build your self-accountability. So when you say that you're going to do something and you do it for a couple of days and then you stop trusting yourself. And when you stop trusting yourself, it's much harder to follow through and make progress on anything. So this was really a great way to kind of build that up. Please take a moment to hit that like and subscribe button. It helps me know what kind of content to keep making. So let me show you guys the payoff of from day 1 to day 30, and there were some good results. So here's on day 1. You can see my muscles aren't really toned or developed, especially the back. Everything kind of looks flat. You can see the biceps right there. There's really not too much going on. My abs and chest, here I'm flexing. It's like barely moving. But here after, day 30, the final workout, you can actually see like I'm vascular. I have like biceps. There's definitions in the abs. With my back, there's like a little bit more toning, better than it was before. But man, I just love the results. I feel absolutely great. So for the workout itself, I would do 25 push-ups, 25 sit-ups, 25 curls, take a 30-second rest, and then repeat that 4 times. And this workout was absolutely great. It broke things up so I could do high-intensity intervals. And it was better than just doing 100 straight, because if your body's not ready for it, it's really a struggle. And I wanted to just work out efficiently. If you do want to do like 100 at a time, a great method that I found was if you do 1, take 1 second rest, do 2, 2 second rest, then do 3, 3 second rest, all the way up to 10. And then you come back down. That's exactly 100, and it breaks up the workout well, so you can kind of accomplish that 100. So the first tip I have, and something that I learned, is always record yourself or work out in front of a mirror, because your form is everything. So you can easily improve your form just by seeing how it looks. And if you look at me doing push-ups right now, you can see my back kind of has that bend, and really that should be higher up and more straight. Because whatever form you're starting with, you're building off of that. And if you build off bad form, you're likely to kind of hurt yourself, and that's the last thing you want. So tip 1, check your form. For tip number 2, the diet you eat and nutrition is really important. When I went into this, I didn't really have any nutritional plan. I would just always have a shake afterwards, and I use this like really cool blender, which I recommend anyone that needs one, because I used to have like an industrial sized one that was huge and such a pain in the ass to clean and take care of. But this one is just the perfect amount. You can see as I'm like adding ingredients, it just gives you just the perfect amount that you need for your post-workout kind of shakes. But going in with some type of plan, knowing that you need more protein in your diet, kind of less fat, and like not going to the buffet all the time and overeating. Like let me show you the calendar where I tracked all my results, and really the days where I took rest were really just the days where kind of I overate, and that was just like really bad planning on my part. But, I just added banana, water, milk. Sometimes I would throw nuts in there too for more kind of protein. And I added the powder, and it was perfect and delicious. Here I wanted to show it again because it's like just the perfect size. It's really easy to clean, drink out of. It's really wonderful. Here's the calendar, the Impact Theory calendar. I have a link to it if you're interested for a review. But this habit tracker on the bottom is great. So you can see I wrote rest on the days that I took off, mainly because I freaking went to the buffet and overate, which was dumb. The P is for push-ups, S sit-ups, curls, right? So I was doing that very, very consistently, and I never really felt sore, only after the first day. But it was amazing because I thought that you really had to like feel sore to have your muscles build, and it wasn't the case at all. Just by doing it consistently, you could kind of see the muscle growth. And what I absolutely love too about this calendar is every time I marked it, I would see the progress I made. So if I ever felt like lazy on that day, I would look at that calendar and see I had been going, for 10 days, and I was not gonna stop then because I made that decision that I would keep doing it every single day. So it was just a great way to kind of keep motivating yourself, and it's an easy way to build momentum every day, and seeing it as a daily reminder is really, really powerful. My third and final tip is to do a test run before you decide on kind of like an arbitrary number. So doing 100 push-ups and curls I knew was going to be enough to see gains and to be challenging, but with the sit-ups, I kind of forgot that I can do like much, much, much more. So doing 100 really didn't create like too much of a change. You can see that I developed some like definition and the muscles kind of started to pop a little bit. But after I did them, it only like the last set started to get hard. Back when I used to like swim all the time, we used to do 300 before every practice, and that was before even like the real workout began. So knowing to gauge like what amount will actually kind of help you is like a really, really good idea. So I want to thank you guys for watching very much. I hope this helped you. I really encourage you to do some type of 30-day challenge, and I'm here reminding you to always stay positive.